If you could make a wish, I think you'd take a private school with a great reputation for being outstanding and stellar academically. You'd put it in a global, cosmopolitan city that was growing, and in a place that loved business, that loved entrepreneurship, that liked risk takers, with a feeling that you belong and that you actually have a network of people that can connect you to every point in this constellation of opportunities in Houston. And you've got that at Rice. And there's not a quicker way to be connected to all the sources of innovation and future growth than to be a part of our communities.
And it really creates for an impressive and rigorous learning environment.
A lot of people, I think, questioned my decision to come here 25 years ago because it was a very small program. But from my perspective, all the macro ingredients were really there for Rice Business to do amazing things in the city and just climb up the rankings because we're offering a top-tier academic program. We've got incredible scholars from around the world.
And we have an entire learning community of people that teach what it takes to start a business from scratch, how you approach that mentally, how you work through setbacks, how you bring a team together, how you make all these really hard choices. And that community feel is what drives that home for all of Rice University, but particularly for the business school.
There's an incredibly supportive group of people here that are so willing to help you, not only in the classroom, but especially when you look towards understanding what you want to do for your career and what clubs and other fun extracurriculars you want to be a part of.
The students are very motivated, very driven. The diversity of knowledge and expertise that they bring to the table makes classroom discussions really vibrant. And I think we're learning from each other. I am definitely learning from my students.
There's a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of consulting, of course, investment banking, but then people who have specific aspirations in healthcare and marketing. And so everyone is on a different path, but we've all found ways to kind of support and help each other in this journey for what life looks like outside of the MBA program.
You cannot put a value on relationships. The quality of the connection is really the biggest thing that I would say separates Rice compared to everyone else.
And a lot of our students, walk through that door and they become great entrepreneurs, as we've seen with so many of our alumni.
I came in thinking I was going to take classes and really focus on the academic part and not do a whole lot beyond that, and I was totally wrong. It's really shaped my experience in now leading a company today.
It expands your career opportunities once you get an MBA from Rice.
And the future of Rice Business is wide open. It's the beginning of a gigantic growth phase. It's really exciting to think about what's going to happen in Houston, what's going to happen in Texas, and what's going to happen for Rice.
What I'm excited about is the new addition and the expansion of the business school,
with which to deliver our educational mission, deliver on our research mission, bring more wonderful people in.
This is a very, very well-endowed university with all the resources in place to maintain our position as one of the best universities in the world. The future of Rice is extraordinarily bright. The future of Houston is extraordinarily bright. You put those two things together, our alumni have no choice but to have an extraordinarily bright future.
I mean, we have all the right ingredients to be successful. We have the right faculty, we have the right support system, we have all the expertise needed.
And I know that together we will solve the problems that confront this generation and make the world a better place.